How to fix Twitter X not showing replies. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, scroll down, then tap on general. Scroll down, tap on iPhone storage. Now search for the X application and then tap onto it. Tap on upload app, then tap on upload app one more time. This helps clear your app cache but will keep your document and data safe. Once that's done, make sure you tap on reinstall app. Now once that's done, head back to your home screen and then open up your app store. In the search bar, you can simply search for the X application and make sure it is updated. If not, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After updating, you can reopen the app and check if the replies are showing or not. If you are using Twitter in a web browser, you can try disabling ad blockers or tracking protection, then refresh the page. That's it. One of these steps should help fix the issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.